These motherfuckers are so dead wrong. They said the word wrong is about A being violent. First of all, wrong comes from a word that comes from my word source and is about Violet G. In my opinion, though, it's probably not even about red or violet. It's just the fact that that row is G on the bottom peak. On the lower peak, and the wrong part is it's probably talking about another G right there. But if you're wondering about, you're claiming I have one or the other, just know from the middle blue, which is neon, comes the notion of regular rainbow blue being either third or fifth. Because it's on the 3, but then it's a 2, 3, 3, 2, so you add the other 2 for it to be 5 then. So I actually invented rainbow colors from the notion of the neutral and neon of the word source that led to the regular rainbow and then the rainbow itself. Yeah. So, looks like you're dead wrong. Twice over and you don't even know what the fuck you're talking about. But anyway, so it's kind of like, this area I just redid and drew here. You can see that there's 4 5s, 2 there, and then the 2, 3, and then the 3, 2. So it's 4 5s. And that's the notion of red. R, and then the 4 5s, red. And violet, okay, is the opposite wavelength of red. And that's the notion there. Where violet is the opposite wavelength. It's 16 in there, opposite. The I, and that's 20 around. Opposite wavelength. I have no problem with, A being violet and B being purple and that stuff. It's just, I when I made my designs, I just went with that one. But without that one, there is no notion of that one or the other one. Without the word source being what it is, and the coloration from it in the first place. So, it's something you can't figure out. So go ahead, since we're under a system of control, and it's extremely fucking complicated, go ahead and just obey the fucking law. Because you're going to get it dead wrong. And that's why you shouldn't persecute people, and you should obey the law. Because you're going to most likely be dead fucking wrong. Especially these dumb motherfuckers who are confusing factors of reality with the origin. Those factors of reality I'm talking about are home design and book. Into pun, acronym, backronym, expressions, and symbolic architectural pun, pro, con, acronym, backronym type deal. Yeah. My 1D is the original notion. But, in the objective reality comes the fact of reality. and these factors of reality. Why they're here,